The high drama that played out in the parliament today as the opposition questioned the government on who the railway minister is. Now this comes after Dinesh Trivedi hiked passenger fares for the first time in almost a decade, and his decision was slammed by his party chief Mamata Banerjee. Banerjee shot off a letter to the Prime Minister asking for Trivedi to be sacked as the railway minister. Leader of the Lok Sabha, Pranab Mukherjee, told the House that the government is considering Mamata Banerjee's proposal as Trivedi hangs on to his post as of now.
मेरा नेता सदन से प्रश्न है, नेता सदन ये बताएं कि क्या दिनेश त्रिवेदी आज रेल मंत्री हैं या नहीं हैं? दूसरा ये बताएं कि क्या वो रेल बजट जो कल प्रस्तुत हुआ था अभी जिंदा है या मर चुका है?
Prime Minister has not received any resignation letter from the railway minister. As and when new information is to be shared with the Parliament, with the House, I shall be glad to share the information as and when the appropriate action is being taken on the communication received from the minister, from the chairperson of Trinamool Congress.